Hi there, it's Tayo with WTI, and I absolutely love this beautiful industrial looking pivoting mirror by Keonjinn. It comes equipped with all the necessary parts, and it's easy to install to make your reflecting experience as smooth as possible. This mirror has very classy look and it really elevates any space you install it in. The mirror itself comes well packaged and protected. I especially love the thick black bevel. This mirror easily becomes both a piece of classy industrial furniture and a design statement at the same time. And with the pivot, it doesn't matter if you're sitting down or standing up, you'll get the full view. The quality and the craftsmanship of this mirror is absolutely stunning. The picture is very clear and not distorted at all. It has become my favorite place to do my makeup. I absolutely love this mirror, and that is my point of view.